Groups in TestNG. TestNG allows you to perform sophisticated groupings of test methods. Not only can you declare that methods belong to groups, but you can also specify groups that contain other groups. Then TestNG can be invoked and asked to include a certain set of groups while excluding another set. This gives you maximum flexibility in how you partition your tests and doesn't require you to recompile anything if you want to run two different sets of tests back to back. Groups are specified in your testng.xml file and can be found either under the test or suite tags. Groups specified in the suite tag apply to all the test tags underneath. Let's see a practical example. I have a project called TestNG project. In the TestNG project, I have two Java classes, test case 1 and test case 2. In the test case 1, I took a method login test. For that, I have assigned a group smoke test and functionality test. You can assign the group as I mentioned here. And in the test case 2, I have a method called compose mail. For that, I have assigned a group functional test. So here we have two groups, one is smoke test and second one is a functional test. So in the TestNG XML, already I took both the classes, package name.class name and package name.class name of both test case 1 and test case 2. Here I am going to assign group tags. I have opened a groups tag and closed the groups tag. Inside that I took run tag. Here I am including any of the group which you want to run. Here in the include tag, I took the name as smoke test. See the smoke test you can see for the test case 1 grouping. So now if I execute this, you can see the output in the console from the test case 1. Save the testng.xml. Before executing the groups, let me comment the groups tag here and we execute the testng.xml to see the output. Before that, I will comment the groups tag to see the output, which shows test case 1 output and then it shows the test case 2 output in the console. In the results of running suite also we can see that. Now let me uncomment that and executing it by using the testng.xml. In the console output you can see login successful. In the test case 2, the group name is functional test, whereas in the test case 1 the group name is smoke test and the functional test. In the testng.xml I have taken the group name include smoke test. So the smoke test group is just related to the test case 1. Which is not related to the test case 2. So in the console output you can see just the test case 1 output. Let's see group of groups. Groups can also include other groups. These groups are called meta groups. For example, you might want to define a group all that includes smoke test and functional test. Let's modify our testng.xml file as follows. Here I have included both the group names smoke test and functional test inside the define tag, and the define tag is named as all, and in the run tag I have included the name as all, which I mentioned in the define tag. So right click on the testng.xml and run as test suite. You can see the output in the console as logged in successful and mail test. This is just because I have taken the name in the define as all. So in the define we have taken both the group names like smoke test and functionality test, which is related to both the test cases, test case 1 and test case 2. That's why we can see the output of test case 1 and test case 2 in the console output.